coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. I thought of a great analogy for how men should behave. The silverback gorilla, and think about it, they're fearsome and big and strong and scary when they need to be, but they're so gentle with the little gorillas. They're so caring. Be like the silverback gorilla. Be capable of great violence and acts of danger, but control that anger and be super caring and gentle with the women and children. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your year. Made it this far, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up, and if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your year.